My dear students, now let us going to discuss mixed fractions into improper fraction. Mixed fractions you can write as improper fraction. Before of this, you have written improper fractions into mixed fraction. Yes or no? So now you can write mixed fractions into improper fraction. Okay, I am writing a mixed fraction here. 3 2 by 5. So this is a mixed fraction. You can write this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So very easy. Among these both numbers you can multiply, and among these both numbers you can add. So you can add these both numbers. Oh, first of all you can multiply. You will get something. You can add 2. Then you will get answer. That means, look here, 5 3s are 15. Then 15 plus 2 is 17. So 17. What is here? By. The denominator is 5. Denominator you can write as it is. Okay. Okay, one more problem let us discuss. Look here, my dear students. I am writing 4 6 by 7. 4 6 by 7. This is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, let us write this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here multiplication, here addition. Yes or no? Then 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. Then 34 by what is our denominator? 7. So you can write 7. So that means our answer is 34 by 7. 4 6 by 7 is a mixed fraction. Now we have written as improper fraction. Comparison of fraction. We have to compare two fractions or more fractions. First, suppose I am writing some fractions here. 2 by 7, comma 3 by 7. This is the first question. This is first case. I am writing the second case. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7. Okay. And also third case, look here, 1 by 7, comma 1 by 8. I have written here three cases. First of all, let us going to discuss about the first question. 2 by 7 and 3 by 7 he has given. Among these both, which is the greatest one?
3 by 7.
Why?
Sir, because the denominator is equal and the numerator is greater.
Listen. If you want to compare these fractions, first of all, you want to know that 2 by 7 and 3 by 7 are there. These are like fractions, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are like fractions. These are unlike fractions. These are like fractions. These are unlike fractions. So when he will give like fraction, what is mean by like fraction? Denominators are equal. If in a given fraction, if the denominator is equal, then it is said to be like fraction. Here two fractions he was given, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Here the given denominators are equal. 7, 7. The denominators are equal. The denominators are equal. That is why you can say directly.
Yes, sir.
Here 2 is greater or 3 is greater?
3.
3 is greater. You can say directly.
Yes, sir.
When the denominators are equal.
Yes, sir.
If the denominators are equal, then you can say directly.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the denominators are equal, then only you can say directly, otherwise not. Here you cannot say. Denominators are not equal. Look here. Here you can say directly 3 by 7 is greater because 3 is greater, no? So that is why 3 by 7 is greater. Okay, here the answer is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is greater. 3 by 7 is greater. That means this is greater, this is smaller. Understand? This is greater, this is smaller. Okay, 2 by 7 is smaller than 3 by 7. It's over. Now, let us going to discuss about these fractions. Here the given denominators are different. Okay, keep aside for 1 minute. Come in here. Here in this first case, the denominators are equal. But in this second case, the numerators are equal. See, the numerators are equal. Yes, sir. Here the denominators are equal. But here the numerators are equal. When the numerators are equal, then you can look after the denominators. Among the denominators, the smallest denominator is greatest one. The greatest denominator is smallest one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because here the numerators are equal. That is why the smallest one is greatest one. That means which is the greatest one?
1 by 7.
1 by 7 is greater. 1 by 7 is
Greater.
because the numerators are equal.
Equal, sir.
If the denominators are equal, means you can say directly.
Yes.
But here, when the numerators are equal, the smallest denominator is the greatest one. That means here 1 by 7 fraction is greater. 1 by 7 fraction is
Greater.
Okay. So in this case, come in here. In this case, the numerators also not equal. The denominators also not equal. Okay. Because these are unlike fraction. These are unlike fraction. Then which is the greatest one? How can you say?
LCM. Sir, 2 denominator will take LCM. Yes, sir.
How can you say? If the denominators are equal, you say directly. If the numerators are equal, then also you say directly.
Sir, Krishna was saying.
But here the denominators and numerators all are different because these are unlike fractions. Okay, these are unlike fractions. Then how can you say which is the greater one? Which is the smallest one? How can you say that? Do you have any idea? 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7. Among these both fractions, which is smaller, which is greater? So we can find that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, let us going to discuss about this. Okay, have a look at on the blackboard. This is very important problem. Yes. I want to say 3 ways for you. Which method is better? You only decide. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the first method. Method 1. Simply by doing cross multiplication.
Sir, I'm saying no. 7 3
You can multiply crossly.
Sir, I'm that one is saying crossly.
You can multiply
Crossly.
Look here. You can multiply 3 and 7. And you can multiply 2 and 4.
Sir, 2.
Look here. First 3 into 7. 3 into 7. The second one is
2 into 4.
2 into 4. But 4 into 2 not.
Yes, sir. Denominator.
Okay.
Numerator.
So always, first of all, you can write numerator only.
Yes, sir.
3 into 7. That means numerator into denominator. And here also, in this case also, numerator into denominator. That means 2 into 4. Okay, let us multiply. 3 sevens are 21. 2 fours are 8.
Yes, sir, I'm saying.
3 sevens are 21. 2 fours are 8.
Sir, I'm
Here, 21 is greater or 8 is greater?
21.
21 is greater. That means 3, which fraction has 3 as a numerator, that is greater. That means this one is greater. greater. 3 by 4 is greater.
Greater. Yes,
Okay.
sir. That
3 by 4 is greater. All of it, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Here 3 by 4 is greater. You can say 3 by 4 is greater. Because here 21 is greater. Okay, that is why 3 by 4 is greater. Okay, the second type. Second method is you can find the LCM of the denominators. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7 are there. You can find the LCM of the denominators.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the denominators? 4 and 7. 4 and 7. These are our denominators. So you can find the LCM. LCM of the denominators. Denominators 4 comma 7. 4 comma 7 LCM is possible.
No. No.
4 is divisible by 2,
2.
but 7
No.
4 is divisible by 4,
4.
but 7
No.
7 is divisible by 7 is divisible by 7, but 4
No.
So that is why you can multiply directly those both numbers. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. So our required LCM is equal to 28. Our LCM is 28. Okay, look here. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7. What is our LCM? 28. I am writing overall LCM 28. Okay. These both LCM is 28. That is why I have written overall LCM is 28. Now look after the first fractional of. Look after first fraction. Shortcut method. I am doing by shortcut method. So you can follow this shortcut method because you are going to write the competitive examination. Okay. Look here. 3 by 4. What is our denominator here? 4. 4 is the denominator. Okay. 4. Here our LCM is 28. 4 is denominator. You can choose this first fraction. Let us do 2 by 7 later. Keep aside for some time. Give rest to 2 by 7. Okay, come on. Let us going to discuss 3 by 4. What is our denominator here? 4. 4 is our denominator. Our LCM is 28. Then 4, how much are 28?
4 sevens are
Yes, 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Okay, denominator is over. Now what is left?
3.
Numerator is left. Now this 7 and numerator you multiply. 7 3s are 7 3s are 21. Right? 21. Okay, right? 21. Right? Comma here. Plus 1 plus 1. We are not doing addition, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Comma. Okay, look after second one. What is our denominator here? 7. 7. How much are 28? 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Now you can multiply these both. 4 2s are 8. That means the first fraction is 21 by 28. The second fraction is 8 by 28. Yes, sir. First fraction is 21 by 28. Second fraction is 8 by 28. Now denominators are equal. Now the denominators are equal. I will look after this. Now the given denominators are equal. Here the denominators are not equal, but finally you got denominators are equal. So when the denominators are equal, then you can say directly. Here 21 is greater or 8 is greater? 21. So 21 is greater. 21 by 28 means first fraction, right? 21 by 28 means first fraction, yes or no? That means 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the second method, LCM method. Okay. This is the second method, LCM method. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. We have discussed about the first method and second method also. Now let us going to discuss about third method. Okay. Let us discuss second method only in a different type. One more type. I am going to teach you one more type also here. Which is better? You only decide. Look here. 3 by 4 is there. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7. 3 by 4, comma 2 by 7. You can find the LCM. This is also LCM method only. You can find the LCM. What is our LCM?
28.
Yeah, LCM. LCM is about 28. Yes or no? Now take first fraction. Here I have written directly overall LCM. Yes or no? Here I have written directly overall LCM. But here I am changing. Look here. You can take any first fraction. Take first fraction 3 by 4. Okay. And multiply this fraction.
28.
No.
7.
4. How much are 28?
7.
4 sevens are 28.
Yes, sir.
So you can multiply by 7 by 7.
Yes.
What is our denominator here? 4.
4.
So then 4 sevens are 28. So you can multiply it by 7 by 7. Okay. Then 3 sevens are
21.
Sorry. 3 sevens are 21 by 4 sevens are 28. It's over.
Yes, sir.
Now you can take second fraction 2 by 7. Again multiply.
4 by 4.
Look after the denominator. What is our denominator? 7. 7. How much are our LCM? 28. So that is by 4s are, yes sir? So you can multiply by 4 by 4 by 4. Yes. 2 4s are
8.
by 7 4s are
28.
Look. Now also you got 3 by 4 means 21 by 28. 2 by 7 is 8 by 28. Yeah, you can write here 21 by 28, comma 8 by 28. Look after this. The denominators are equal. The denominators are equal. See, 21 is greater. This is the greatest one, 21 by 28. That means 21 by 28 means which fraction? 21 by 28 means 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 by 4 is greater than 8 by 28. 8 by 28 means 2 by 7. 2 by 7. You can write. This is also second method. Yes, my dear students, we have discussed about two methods. Let us going to discuss about method 3, third method. You can follow this method. Okay. If you follow this method, your time will be saved. Okay, because you are going to write competitive examination. That is why. Okay, look here. Let us going to discuss about this third method. Simply, you can divide. Simply, you can divide. That's it. Take 3 by 4. Take first fraction 3 by 4 and divide 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 3 is divided by 4. Let us write 3 is divided by 4. Yes, sir? Don't write reversely. 3 by 4. Numerator is always comes middle. Numerator is divided. Okay. Somebody will do here mistake. Okay. 3 by 4 is there. Huh? Numerator is become dividend. Okay, you can write middle. Numerator write as a dividend. Okay, look here. 3 is divided by 4. Is possible?
No.
That is why what you should do? Keep point, take 0. Keep point, take 0. Now it will become 30. 3 is become 30 now. Now tell me 4 sevens are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are more. 4 8s are is more. Okay. 4 sevens are 28 minus 30 minus 28 is 2.
Now 0.
Already you have used find. Yes or no? That is why take 0 here. Now 4 5s are 20 minus 20 minus 20 is 0. That means the first one is, what is our answer? 0.75. 0.75. That means point before you can write 0. That means the first answer is 0.75. First answer is 0.75. Oh, first answer, you got first answer. Now let us going to do this. 2 by 7. Okay, let's do 2 by 7. Look here. 2. Look. 2. I'm writing. Okay, 2 by 7.
Sir, no.
Is it right?
No.
You should not write like this.
Yes.
Okay, so how to write? 2 is divided by 7. Okay, 2 is divided by 7. Is it possible? This division is possible?
No.
That is why what should you do? Keep on, take 0. Now 2 is become 20. 2 is become 20. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are
21.
Can I take 3s are?
No.
2s are. 7 2s are
40.
3 minus 14 is
6. 7.
You want remainder 0. But have you got remainder 0?
No.
Continue again. Again take 0. Why should I take 0? Already we have used point. That is why you can take 0. Yeah, 60 is there. Now 7 8s are. Yes or no? 7 8s are
56.
7 9s are
63.
9s are small. So 7 8s are 56. Okay, 60 minus 56 is 4. Again you can take 0. Okay. Okay, enough. Leave it. Because here you have 2 places, right? Here also you can take 2 places. That's it. Leave. That means that is 0.28. 0.28 now. 0.28. Point before you can use 0. That means 0.28. The first one is 0.78. The second one is 0.28. Now among these, which is the greatest one you can 75 now.
75.
Look here. This is very important. Here 0 point before you have 0. Here also point before you have 0. First of all you can look after the point before numbers. Look. 0 points.
28.
28. 28 now. 28. Look. Point, first of all you can look after the point before number. Point before you have zeros. These are equal.
Yes.
Now look after point after number. What do you have? 7. Here 2. 7 is greater or 2 is greater? 7. So this is greater. Over. That means 0.75 is first one. So first one is greater. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So,
Right.